Hey guys, what's cracking? Welcome back to round 2 of Bunny Beast Tamer versus Thing Saber Dragon, or Seekers, however you want to put it. Again, my boy Gearshift with me. Hopefully I'll get some revenge for last time, because sadly we didn't even really get to see what Thing Saber can do, but fortunately I'm going first this time, so here's hoping. Alright, let's get the go started. Mulliganing. Let's hope.
This is a mulligan for 3.
Yeah, mulliganing for 2 on this end. It's serviceable. Alright then.
Oh, this is interesting. That's all I can say.
Vanguard. Okay. Let's draw for turn. So Lucius is my Vanguard once again, sadly. Very sadly. Oh, you? Sure. Okay. Your move.
Alright. I'll draw. I will ride into Brassy Bunny. I'll get my Quick Shield. And I'll draw one. Then Brassy Bunny, I will pitch that's the Quick Shield to draw another one. And then I'll just swing for 8.
Oh, what? Your Vanguard's not great through your greater?
No, unfortunately it's not. And honestly, I don't know if I want to soul charge in this deck, not gonna lie.
Yeah, that gets risky. No guard.
Alright. Draw check.
Where's your crit?
No trigger.
No crit? Surprising.
Yeah, I used it up all in the last match.
No, thanks. I would hope so. I need a ground 3. Okay.
I mean, the good news for your deck is that you can actually recycle heals, and then turn recycle this.
Yeah. I mean, that's one of my only advantages at this point. Okay. Let's ride into Lil. Once again. Swing for 10.
No guard.
Ah, a crit. How does it feel? Describe to me your experience.
It's not exactly crit sack, so it's not that bad yet.
you just get an expressionless emoji for that. It's like, yeah, whatever. All right, your move.
All right, I'll draw. I'll ride into Chlorina. The options here is curious. I guess we'll dig just a bit, and we'll call a stack Baton Twirler. Use this effect to draw a card and put a card to soul. We'll put Midnight Bunny. This is kind of greedy. We'll call another static.
Oh, well, here's the classic Gearshift phrase of greed. One must always contemplate greed.
It's just greed in terms of shields, because essentially, just one trigger makes attacking worthless. So,
I mean, hey, I might be inclined to do just that, right?
Now that,
Dame.
I also am dealing with worse numbers here.
Oh yeah, that's right. Hey fellas, we can actually bully with force numbers. Finally. Oh, I miss this feeling. Yeah. All the Force clans and Spectral Duke have an advantage that way. You would think it'd be like weird, right? It's like, oh yeah, I get like it's funny, the first time I read Spectral Duke Dragon, right? And this was me, I was just getting into the game, just barely getting in the game. Like I hadn't even watched the anime completely at that point, right? I read Spectral Duke Dragon and I read the continuous skill of where he gets like plus 1k. And I read that, I'm like, wait, was that a misprint? Isn't that like 10k? And it's like,
how come that's great?
Oh, okay.
We'll add this.
Golden Beast Tamer, yeah boy. Mainstay of the deck, let's go.
We used to say mainstay, but we're just pitching it.
Oh, sad face. So sad.
See,
I'm rooting
I had another
for
play that
Beast
could
Tamer, bro.
probably threaten more. But I am in this scenario.
Look, you're already investing like a crap ton into the field, can I just say?
Well, if you notice what I'm trying to do, you can see why I was investing.
Wait, hold on a second.
Because there's another play where I can make a static threatening to just like swing by itself. I guess it'll show up, but I'll say this does have 2 drive at this point, because I have 3 bunnies in soul and in rear. So this is swinging 17 with 2 drive.
And would you like to use her skill?
I do not actually.
Okay, 17 with 2 drive. Well, fellas, let's use Heal Guardian. Give 10k to the Vanguard. This is a no pass.
First check. No trigger. Second check. No trigger. See, aren't you happy? I didn't open using bunny this time.
I'm just happy you didn't open a crit whatsoever. But that actually means they might come later. Dun dun.
See, anything else I want to do?
They never leave us.
Alright, nothing I can do. So we'll just leave those standing and pass turn.
Oh, okay. Stand and draw. Oh, wonderful. Okay. Rydal, Sika, Thing Save a Dragon. Okay. I'll get myself a force marker, and I'm gonna put it over here. And then with the skill of Thing Save Dragon, I'm going to Counterblast 1 and call from the deck Blaster Blade Seeker. Shuffle up. And now with the skill of Lael, when she's rode over, I'm going to give 10k to the Vanguard. 10k goes to Blaster Blade Seeker thanks to his Legion mate. And then with the skill of Seeker, I'm going to pitch a card from hand. Actually, do I want to do that? No, I do not. I'd rather not. After all, we don't have the same grade, so what's even the point? Call up your Heart Jewel Knight Ashley. I'm not messing around. Swing for 20 on the Vanguard.
So, all big numbers on a grade 2.
Yes, sir. You have your Russia, I have mine.
So I can ignore that ability for now. This is 20. Yep, this is where the force numbers bully. I mean, to be fair, even if it wasn't force numbers, I would still need to guard for more. So... this is... yeah, I'll take this one.
Alright. Next up. 23 on the Vanguard. Oh, I just realized you didn't ride your buddy, your friend, your pet, Amazing Bunny for your Grade 1 ride target.
I literally said that earlier.
I just wasn't paying attention.
I guess you really cared about that grade to not pay attention.
As a matter of fact, I wasn't paying attention. Oh.
See, I kind of need this card depending on the scenario. So I'll pitch a Brassy.
All right. First check. Second check. A draw trigger. Okay, I will love this. Let's give 10k over here. And then a draw. Well, my hands got a lot of a certain something. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Okay.
You take the card advantage where you can.
Take the card advantage. I mean, yeah, I guess card advantage is just the big thing, right? Okay, I don't think Ashley is... her effect is good, but I don't know if I necessarily need it right now. You know what? Let's go ahead and swing with Ashley for 33 on Le Vanguard.
That requires 25 to guard. So we'll make use of these intercepts and give you that 25.
Oh, you're starting to use up hand, aren't you? Well, let me press the agenda then. I'll Soul Blast 2. Ooh, do I want to Soul Blast 2 actually? No. No, that's dumb. It's not good. It's a bad play. Okay, I'm just gonna end my turn. Have it your way.
Right. We'll stand and we'll draw. Ha! Well, I guess you will never understand why I did it. But I'll just say this. I drew this per turn.
Well, why not? You're like RNGesus with bunnies, bro. Why not?
But yeah, that's the whole point of me like committing early grade 2. I was trying to cycle out to dig for this.
Ah, I see. Yeah, man, you see, there's always a reason, right? There's always a good reason. That's good. That's a good play. Well, it turns out your tenacity was perfectly rewarded. If you had not guarded that final attack there, you probably would have been in sad days.
As for you deciding on the secret play, the only thing you could have thought of is perhaps hitting the bunny in the back row and betting that I don't have another grade 1 bunny to call.
Yeah, unfortunately, Blaster Blade Seeker specifies front row rear guard, so I can only get for baton twirlers. I'm like, yeah, they're not even that useful right now.
Alright, so
they're not worth me negging 1. I mean, like, negging? I hate it. It's like, I'm like afraid of negging, bro.
Last one. This is the obvious one you put in there. Now, I'll tell you right now, there's not a lot of good. Considering your hand size. I kind of hate that I have to do this. But we're gonna put Golden Beast in there as well.
Oh. Well.
And should we call 2? Or the Amusing Bunny gets me certain plays in, and this one just gives me hit pressure. But yeah, just so you know, if I didn't draw the Tilaipse, I was about to just play Pale Moon good stuff.
Very good. Wow. I'm just looking at like Tilaipse. I wonder, is there ever been a situation where you have ever taken advantage of the fact that he says choose up to 2 grade 2 or less cards from your soul and call in regard? It isn't up to. You don't have to call 2.
Well, it hasn't come up for me yet. In terms of like card economy, that just always is a neg.
Yeah, I mean, it is negging on your already like +1 or +2, depending on what you choose to get the drives.
First, I'll put this here. This gets me that. Tokens. How different is it from me doing something a different play? The difference is it gives me the guarantee. So actually, that actually does not give me the guarantee. Actually, as much as I would like it.
So I know you're a Grand Blue main, bro, but what's like your second favorite clan?
Second favorite, if you just talk in terms of aesthetics, it'd be Narukami. If you talk about as a whole, I have yet to really think about it.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I know, like, ghosties are, like, the deck for you, but aside from that, yeah, I guess I can see Narukami. I mean, you do, like, your Gauntlet Buster and all. Vowling Sword hasn't really been great for you, though, and Dungaree you just straight up dislike because it just doesn't have the mechanic for it.
I mean, it's a lot of work for what I feel is not a big enough payoff. Not gonna lie, because you're committing a lot to self-binding cards, and you rarely deal with your opponent's cards as well when you use Dungaree.
I mean, yeah, but it's like, I don't know. I mean, you can run the Gunks and Corson duo. One thing about Dungaree though is in V he's kind of rough.
Yeah,
I'll admit, but if we're looking at it from premium, which I know you're not much of a premium guy, right? But in premium he's way better because then you actually have more self-bind options at your disposal that are just super convenient. And it's oh, okay, well now this is better. And then if you want to just get rid of their cards, you just use a stride because they have a very particular stride that's just kind of busted. To be straight up, like this stride is just stupid.
Oh, I won't deny that. So, to be fair, the easiest transfer if you play Narukami is actually the easiest clan to transfer to premium is probably Narukami because they just use a lot of V cards anyway.
Yep, that's true. I mean, you only really use G cards if you're really going for some particular effects. 18.
Yep.
If I take this, you actually cannot crit sack me out of existence with the Vanguard swing anyway, so no guard. Oh no, not Blaster Blade, the Sika.
There's that. Yeah, I guess I'm betting a bit more than the other one. So, Tilaipse is swinging, that's 16, a 24, 5, 29.
I accept. You ain't going to kill me.
You're correct.
That's a
Second check.
That's
Yeah, very correct.
Okay. Sure.
Alright. We'll swing. I will use her effect though on swing. So this is essentially see, it might matter. Yeah, it actually would matter. So yeah, we'll put Knife Dancer and Soul and call that the same Knife Dancer.
Oh. Ooh.
So yeah.
Let's see.
So this is 13, 8, 21, and 2 drive.
21. So if I just throw down 30, that's a no pass. So get out of here.
Alright, first check. Is it time?
No, I have defenses for this. You're not doing it.
I mean, true. Second check. It is not quite that time.
It is not time yet. Man, just for background context, audience, I actually was playing Jewel Knights against this deck recently, another Royal Paladin deck, in fact, and oh my god, I got bullied so bad with this deck. It was so sad.
This is 19 plus 5, so 24.
Ah, well. Let's give it the hardy old 15 guard.
Mm-hmm. Right. Everything else comes back down. And I pass it up.
Alright then. Stand and draw. Sure, you're welcome. No ride.
I wonder why.
Wait. That was sarcasm. You wouldn't happen to have actually read my Vanguard, would you? But that's, like, illegal.
No.
But, like, then why does people not seem to read my cards, you know? I thought
Hey.
it's because you couldn't.
Hey, technically I'm not lying. I did not read your Vanguard this game.
And this is what it's like to argue against people who are more clever than you. Let's see. Why do I want to do that? Well, actually, fellas, you see my hand. This actually doesn't really engender much thought, does it?
I mean, you already have the field.
Yeah.
So it's like, what you want to put in the back row.
I'm just going to put this in the back row and that's it. Okay. Blaster Blade Seeker is going to swing on... Ooh. Let's see. You do have a backup for the Corina, so what's even the point? Baton Twirlers, whatever. You don't have a backup for Dancing Knife Dancer, though, do you? Okay.
I don't. To be fair, it's like, I don't need Knife Dancer unless I have Beast Tamer as my play for Van. Or secondary Van.
Okay. I think I know what I'm going to do. I'll swing for 10 on Dancing Knife Dancer.
Alright. Accepted.
Sika Thingasivo Dragon swings for 13 on your Vanguard.
I'm
just imagining like the music they have in the anime whenever like you do like the Legion with a Thing Saver. It was a little bit catchy. The song, it was like, yeah, woo, Royal Paladin Spirit, let's go. And then it proceeds to just get like decimated like several times. Yeah, like,
See, 31 cards in deck.
like, how many times has Thing Saver just like straight up like lost? Let's see. Bluish Flame killed it. Okay, it didn't die to Revengers, but the dude actually threw the match, so it should have. It died to Starvaders, that's true. Yeah, I think it also got destroyed by Aquaphor. Yeah, I think Saber lost a lot, despite it being, like, the protagonist unit in Season 4. That's weird.
Yeah. It's just a training arc, bro.
It's just a training. I guess that is kind of true, because like in the second half, the dude's like, you know what, F Royal Paladin, I was originally Kagero and this is better, and then he proceeded to never lose again. So I guess...
I will say, your opinion, when is it ever the good idea to say one fast?
Desperation. Smile. Yeah. If you are desperate, if you feel death...
Well, I'm not quite... It's not desperate. This is greed talking, not desperation.
Ooh, this is greed talking? Yeah, again, the greed, right? Well... Ooh... I would say, yeah, one of two situations. Either situation A, you've gotten yourself into a desperate situation, or situation B, you've seen a lot of triggers, and so the likelihood is just not there for them to hit anything. So, yeah, if you can make an educated guess on that, then go for it. If not, then you're probably, like, wasting cards.
Because this is, like, one of the few times I will ever get a very easy one to pass on your Vanguard here.
Oh, you're not thinking of just intercepting. Don't. Don't do that. Don't you dare intercept with her. You know what? She's paralyzed. She's suddenly paralyzed. I called up my boy Giraffe, bro.
I don't know what to tell you, but paralyzed units can still intercept.
Oh, god damn it, that's right. She's cradled. There we go. It was Gridora, not Giraffe. I lied.
Alright, well, I guess the question would be, would I end up using this at some point for your next attacks? You know, I'll make the dumb move and say one pass.
Now, if this works, I will not be held accountable for what I say and or do next. First check. It's coming. Second check.
Alright, there you go.
There we go. I was about to flip out. Oh, hey. This is an interesting hand.
Let's see. What was
Brassy
it? It was the
Bunny.
Brassy Bunny. So was this one.
Okay, then. Oh, your boy totally forgot to activate Blaster Blade Seeker. LOL. Okay. Well then. I'll Soul Blast 3. Let's look through the deck. Ride. Oh man, there's only one copy left. That's cutting it close.
Alright, time to look it through the deck again.
Yeah, let's go ahead and the 4 units I'm going to be putting back is going to be 3 crits and a heal. Okay. Another force marker, giving it to the Vanguard, and then with skill, counterblast 1, Legion. Here comes another Blaster Blade Seeker, and with skill of Blaster Blade Seeker, I'm going to pitch a card from hand in order to retire Clarina in the front row and provide a crit to my Vanguard.
Actually, you ended up retiring. Wait, doesn't that mean she's one? I'm pretty sure you actually did do Seeker, because didn't you retire my Knife Dancer?
I did it through battle. I forgot to the skill I forgot to activate was the second one, which is after he's done attacking, I can put him to the bottom of the deck and draw.
I see.
Yeah, because then I didn't need to call over. You know, it was actually like a -1 for me in total economy, but it's not like super meaningful at the end of the day, I think. I mean, hell, you felt to intercept for just like no reason.
If it pays off, it pays off.
Oh my god, dude, that is the most like low effort, high reward tactic I've seen in this game. Okay, with that being said, let's go ahead and separate these two. You know, I love that Legion artwork. Okay, Blaster Blade Seeker is going to get an extra 20k power, thanks to there being 2 force markers in the field. Let's continue. I'll swing for 30.
I'm at 4 already. What's 5?
Yeah, fair enough. That's 5. 23 with the crit.
23.
1
Max
plus
43. You shuffled the triggers. I can get to the pass down. And then you'll swing for possibly 2 more. Actually, you don't have the soul for it. Or do I just not know ways for you to get more soul in this case?
I wonder.
Wow, exact. I see. So this is 3 additional attack, including this one. I would dive to a crit sack anyway, so we'll say to the pass.
Okay. First check, critical trigger. I'll give the critical to Ashley. No, not the. Yeah, I'll give the critical to Ashley and the power to the Thing Saber. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Let me do it to him. Let me do it to him.
All right.
No heal. Power to the Vanguard.
Alright, first check. Oh, there's my crit. So, GG.
GG? Okay. It's so sad too. We can't even. It's so sad too. There's gonna have to be a round 3 at some point, but for now, I guess this is it.
Yep.
Sad days. Well, thanks for being on, my man Gear. I hope to have you back for another of these.
No problem. We'll see. I guess then it'd be the round 3 then, huh?
Yeah, the round 3, and then moving on to whatever the next rogue deck you want to break is.
Yes. This is considered breaking? Question mark?
Considered breaking? I don't know. I mean, maybe you like typed in some code for those for some good drive checks. I don't know. Freaking. Maybe you're like, if I put pen to paper and write out what is statistically the best bunny deck. You know, maybe. All right. Well, anyway, that'll do it for today, y'all. So take care and God bless.